Greetings. This is Team Underdogs participating in Hack Matrix 2024 with the team ID HM0042. The team members are Amay Chandravanshi as our team head, Aditya Agre, Abid Kachi, and Satyam Mirgane. The problem statement that we have chosen falls under the education category. We are to develop a platform for efficient college community management, volunteering recruitment, and meaningful connections. We have all resonated with this problem statement greatly, as we all find that even on professional community platforms such as LinkedIn, there isn't much of focus provided to college clubs, student activities, and their workshops in general. Hence, we aim to come up with a platform which primarily focuses on such activities so that they can get the right encouragement and focus that is needed. The tech stack that we have used for our solution is as follows. The front end consists of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, whereas the back end consists of Postgres, Django, and REST API. Since we are using REST API, our solution becomes far more compatible on various different platforms. We'll now be looking at the UI section presented by my teammate.
So I will be explaining the UI part. So we have developed this website in HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Further, the backend part will be explained by Aditya. So this is the landing page, your college club manager. So this is the landing page. Here you can see different clubs of our college are listed here. So if you click on the visit page, you can directly go on that particular page of the particular club. So now events are listed over here and a dedicated page for events. All the events are also there. But on the homepage, we have decided to put only 4 events, which are the most, and we will decide it on the basis of the event which got most number of volunteers. Uh, okay. Now here there will be ads related to recruitment will be flash like TY web developer. You can directly apply from here as well. So now this is event card. Basically all the events are listed here. You can directly apply from here. Now for example, if you click on a particular event, there will be an event page which will be redirected, and where event name, event poster is here. Then you description about the particular event, organizer, date and time, and the location is here. This is the location page. Now if somebody applies for the recruitment, so this page is from the organizer side. They can see that who have applied for the recruitment, and they can directly message them or they can view their resume as well. Now this is a page which is for the clubs, a page dedicated for the club. So here you can see the name of the club, logo, and about the club, and email address, events conducted by the club, and date and location. And also further we are going to add here that any openings for the recruitment is there or not. So this is the UI part, and this is the code which we have written, and we have also uploaded it on GitHub. So now further part will be explained through Aditya.
We will now be looking at the back-end aspect of our project. As iterated before, the database that we have used is Postgres, and the software for this particular UI on screen right now is Django. So we'll first look at some of the schemas that we have here. We have different functionalities such as account confirmation for email, login, logout, password change, reset, confirmation for resetting, registration. Moreover, since we have lots of events, we also have functionalities wherein we can have events returned to us. We have event IDs wherein you can search for a particular event and get its details returned on passing the ID. We have API schema, event creation functionalities, and functionalities where we have the list of users returned to us, etc. We'll look at the most prominent of these features right now. So coming to the login part, we pass username and password as string variables, and after this we have, after successful validation from the database, we have we have the following JSON object returned, wherein we have ID, which would hold the number, the username, the email, the date joined, the type. The type here would represent whether the given entity is representing a user or an event. and similarly you can follow the rest of the details. Now we'll come up to the other prominent functionality, which is returning events that have been that are currently stored in the database. This function returns a list of events. The parameters that would be returned are date, then we have location, ordering, page, search, tags, and name. Right. So when we press on execute, here you will be able to see uh, that there are about 8 events returned. You can look at the count variable that there are 8 events returned. Whereas if you were to search with a particular uh, filter, say look for the name Abid in our database, you will notice that the count of the variables reduces down to just two entries, wherein the name carried the text Abid. Similarly, we also have event ID searching, wherein you can mention the ID of an event and then that particular event details are returned back to you. So, in this way, we have used Postgres, uh, Django, and REST API for our backend to make it more versatile and adaptable to different solutions. And different data types such as strings, email IDs, numbers, and even profile photos are supported through our database, making it very interactive and dynamic, satisfying all the requirements for a given application.